What do you need in your hospital bag? I'm not talking about all the wants that you might want to have in there. Today, I'm going to share 3 things that almost everyone needs from their hospital bag to get you started on packing yours. Now, I want to say that I am a person who believes less is more, because the biggest gift you can give your postpartum self is not having to unpack your 3-piece luggage when you get home from the hospital. So hopefully these 3 things help you feel more prepared and less overwhelmed as you prepare for your hospital stay. Of course, you want to learn about these from an expert, maybe somebody who's seen thousands of hospital bags. Hi, I'm Hilary. I'm the pregnancy nurse. I've been a nurse since 1997. I have 20 years of labor and delivery experience, and I have seen thousands of hospital bags, and I have seen what people want to take out of them. So let's get started. As a reminder, this is really the essentials of your hospital bag. If you want a video with more things that I think could be helpful in your hospital bag, tell me down in the comments. Okay, number 1 is a charging device. Pro tip, if you can bring a wall cord and a good old external battery that can fuel your phone quite a bit, that's a big win. Hospitals seem to have plugs in the weirdest places. I don't know how we decide where we're going to put the hospital plugs, but sometimes they're really inconvenient to charge your phone. So if you're able to charge an external battery when your phone's not charging and then use the external battery to charge your phone the other times, that's a big win. I think a lot of people come in and they're thinking we have charging cables for them, but we absolutely do not. In fact, we used to have iPads where patients were like learning on the iPads, and so many things got stolen. It's just not something we provide. So you want to make sure to bring yours from home. Number 2 is a hair tie. Now you're thinking, Hilary, I don't have very long hair. If you don't have like a basic pixie cut, I'm telling you, even my hair, not very long, I would definitely want it back from my face during labor. I cannot tell you how many people have said, honey, can you get my scrunchie from my bag? And they don't know where it is. And it's like a kerfuffle. So these 3 things I actually recommend having in a special pocket in your bag so that your partner knows where they are, so you don't end up having the kerfuffle when you need your scrunchie or your headband or whatever you want to pull your hair back from your face. Labor is a very physical process, and you do not want your hair getting in your face while you're breathing, etc. Number 3 has to do with all that breathing is chapstick. Whatever you like to nourish those lips. There's so much breathing in labor, and I do not know what it is about the hospital, but somehow we are drier than the Saharan desert in the hospital. So chapstick is something that people always want from their bags, and their partner's looking for it. So again, put these all in an external pocket in your bag so that your partner knows where it is and can grab it for you easily. Okay, I said I was going to give you guys a pro tip, and that is toiletries. Now, if you come into the hospital off the street, you just went to your provider's office and they say you need to go emergently to labor and delivery, we have toiletries that can take care of you. We have toothbrushes, we have toothpaste, we have lotion, we have bars of soap. I don't think we have shampoo. I think I've given patients baby shampoo if they needed it before, but they are really bad. I don't know who decided to put lotion on our bottle because it's white liquid, but I don't think it's a lotion. So if there are toiletries that you enjoy using, which includes toothbrush, toothpaste, lotion, that post-baby shower is life-changing. So whatever you love to use in a shower, if you're going to wash your hair or a shower cap or however you're going to manage your hair, and then a body wash or whatever you use to clean your body, I 100% recommending getting all of those in a little bag that you just have waiting. So if you need to go to the hospital or if your doctor sends you, your partner can just pick up at your house without having a problem. For instance, I wear contacts and I am completely blind without my contacts, so I would definitely need contact solution. So I would recommend picking up some travel size items that you can stick in a little toiletry bag and just have ready in case you emergently need to go to the hospital. That's really the essentials of what you need. Again, like I said, hair tie, charger, chapstick, and then the essential toiletry items. Honestly, if you just brought those, I think you'd be very happy with your hospital stay. But if you want to know more, the other things that I think are important, tell me down in the comments. I even have a pro tip about bringing things to the hospital. So guys, if you want to know more about it, tell me down in the comments. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, we are really trying to grow our YouTube channel, and we cannot do that alone. We need you to like the video so that YouTube knows it's high quality pregnancy content that would really help other families. And I'd love to hang out with you for the rest of your pregnancy, so subscribe. Here are a couple more videos that I think will prepare you for the hospital as well.